Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many users face when working with text data. The problem we're looking at today involves adding zeros after consecutive lines that start with a character in a list. It can be a bit tricky to get the regex pattern just right to target those specific lines, but fear not, we have a solution for you. Let's dive straight into the solution for this regex challenge. The key to achieving our goal lies in using the regex pattern that includes the G construct and a lookahead. By employing the pattern provided, we can effectively identify consecutive lines that start with a character and add a zero after each one in the block. This approach ensures that we insert the zeros exactly where we need them without disrupting other lines in the list. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of adding zeros after consecutive lines starting with a character in a text list using a smart regex pattern. By implementing the regex pattern with the G construct and a lookahead, we can precisely target the desired lines and insert the necessary zeros. I hope this solution proves helpful to you in your text manipulation tasks. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any regex challenges you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy regexing.